Hello everybody. This evening what we're going to be doing, we're going to be getting ready for the Christmas season here. And today we are going to be making s'mores Christmas crack with graham crackers. It's quick and simple. It's good. Alrighty, you're going to need graham crackers. You're going to need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. You're going to need a cup of brown sugar. You're going to need 1.5 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, whichever kind of chocolate chips you like. White chocolate would be good even. Peanut butter. Endless. Alrighty. And also 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Now what we'll do, we'll start off, we're going to start heating the butter up in a pot. We're going to add the brown sugar and we're going to get it to a rolling boil. And then we're going to take that and pour it over our graham crackers. We'll show you in just a minute. Alrighty folks, definitely use parchment paper. And then just take your graham crackers, arrange them here on your cookie sheet, just as long as it fills the bottom up. It don't matter if they're broke, because once we pour that stuff on there and it cools, we'll be breaking it anyway. There we go. Now, we're going to go over and get our butter and brown sugar going. Okay, now we combine the brown sugar and butter. We're going to turn it on and we're going to let this come to a rolling boil. And then we're going to take it and pour it over top of our graham crackers. Alrighty, as you can see, it's starting to boil. Starting to get a little foam on the sides here. Give it a stir. We're going to take it off. Go ahead and turn the stove off here. We're going to take it over here and pour it on top of our crackers. Alright. Take this here and pour it all around. Now folks, this part here, don't let your little kids help you. If something was to happen and this stuff, it's going to be burning. I don't want nobody out there to get hurt. But no, this sugar and all, it'll get on you and just stick and it could burn you pretty bad. I don't want nobody out there hurt. Okay, now I'll set this here in the sink. Carolyn's watching to make sure I didn't warp her pan. Now we're just going to take this here, smooth it around, get all of your cookies covered. And then we've already got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to place this in the oven for 5 minutes and then we're going to get it out. And we're going to throw our chocolate chips and marshmallows on top. Carolyn there telling me hurry up, bud. No. Now let's head over to the oven. Alrighty. Now go ahead and take your, it just now come out of the oven. Take your marshmallows and sprinkle around over here on top. Take our chocolate chips, sprinkle them around here on top. It should start melting on its own, but while you've got your oven heated up, we can set that back in for just a minute there. Alright, we've set it in there for about a minute. Now we're going to take our spatula and just sort of smooth it around there. And make a mess. I'm going to push Carolyn out of the way here just a second. Alrighty folks, there you have it. Now we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for a little bit, 30 minutes to an hour. Let everything set up, and then we'll show you the finished product. Alrighty folks. It could probably stand to be in the refrigerator just a little bit longer, but we just want to give it a try. Let's see. Alrighty, broke that piece off. Now. It's a winner. Alrighty. It seems to be breaking with the graham crackers there. Now I've seen this made before with Ritz crackers and all also. We'll have the recipe in the description. Didn't take long to make. And Daniel and Carolyn, they both said it was good. Like I said, it could probably stand being in the refrigerator, cool off a little bit more. We just couldn't wait to give it a try. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Well, Carolyn's wanting to show you this here on the platter. Okay. It's good, folks. Here we go. Alrighty. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching. Lord willing, we'll see you in a few days. Thank you again for watching.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies. till the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start